Hi everybody, it's Alethea. I made barbecue chicken tonight for dinner. I made some cornbread and I made some apple and spice broccoli salad on the bottom. So let's give it a try. I'm hungry. It's still hot too. Mmm, so good. It's so good. I have some cornbread. Delicious. Let's try some of the broccoli. That's still nice and crispy too. So good. I'm going to be uploading the tutorial on how to make the barbecue chicken. All right, guys. See you soon. Bye.